this morning, feeling kinda rough. My comb's all droopy, yeah, times is tough. Feathers falling out, Lord, I'm sneezing too. Ain't no doubt about it, I got the bird flu. Oh, I got the bird flu blues, yeah. Ain't no cure, just bad news, yeah. The farmer's got gloves and a nervous stare. I clucked for some help, but he don't care. My best straw bed, said I ain't sharing nothing with a chicken half dead. The ducks all laughing, saying it ain't our fault, but I swear that mallard gave me this call. Excuse me, y'all. Oh, I'm screwed. I used to be proud, I used to be strong. Now the whole damn coop says I won't last long. Now listen, y'all, I used to be the king of this here yard. Wake up the farm with my golden crow. Now I can't even manage a cock-a-doodle-doo. Violet, Lord, just take me now. The vet pulled up, oh man, what a sight. With a big old needle, this ain't feeling right. I made a break for it, flapped my wings, tripped on a hay bale. Now I can't feel a thing.